Spectacular design. How hard was that to do?
Not very hard.
How long have you been designing flowers?
4 days.
4 days. It's spectacular. Congratulations. You asked me what I look for when I'm hiring people. It depends on the role. Head designer, helpful designer, driver, bucket washer. But make sure you interview well. If it's a designer, you're looking for someone who designs or is very lovely, pliable, and will follow direction.
Follow direction.
And I'll tell you one secret, professional secret. Don't go with anybody who's loud and flamboyant. It never works.
It never works. Okay.
It's just my experience. I don't hire them. How hard was this to do? Beautiful.
Not very hard.
How long have you been doing flowers?
A week.
How can this be? I tell them they're spies. They came from another school just to spy on me. There's no way anybody can do this in 4 days you've been here. This is your 4th day. And this is a busy mother of 4 children. Taking time out of her day to take class.
To learn.
It's beautiful.
From the greatest.
It's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.